What's good, boys? Today I will be doing the high risk, high reward strategy called full porting. If you don't know what full porting is, it actually means risking your whole portfolio for a good trade. I'm not messing around. Normally, you split your portfolio up in beautiful little slices, but not today. Not today, boys. And if I can't turn $1,000 into $10,000 and I lose it all, I will have to get a buzz cut. I'm not messing around. If I lose, I will do it. I swear on my life. On my life, I swear I will. So please stick along as we embark on this trading journey. Thank you. Wish me luck. I will be trading on Dogecoin, and if you don't like it, touch me. Let's start. So, the thing is, my strategy is in a 30-minute time frame. So I kind of have to raw dog it, but I hope my strategy also works on the 1 day time frame. Currently we have $1,000. So I will start with the loser thing, a trend line. I mean, trend line is getting followed, you know what's up. Next, maybe another one. Okay, so it just broke out of a trend. And it doesn't look like it wants to go back. Let's look on. So now it's on a downtrend. But assuming I think we can go long here until this key point, because we see price like molested it and didn't wanna break through. So I think that's fair. So we are in with $1,000. We are taking our profit around here. I mean, if I win this, I get plus 200%. This is quite the risk. Let's see what the 40% is. Ooh. Okay. So I have a dilemma. Will I go up double or nothing? Will I play it safe? Only one way to find out, boys. A coin flip. And if it lands on tails, I go all in. Double or nothing. That's unfortunate to see. That's really unfortunate to see. But like I said in a comment on my very first video, I live life on the edge. So boys, let's pray together. Not looking too well. Come on, I have a family at home. Calm down, calm down. Oh my god. This is absolutely beautiful. This makes a man cry. So that's a successful double or nothing. So currently we have an extra $1,832. So that makes our total $2,832. That's a great start. So I don't think that buzz cut is coming. I don't think the buzz cut is coming. Nice, that's nice. I think this is the first time ever this like the trend line thing worked. If you use this as like your main source of like information, stop trading. Like I said, stop trading. Same thing goes for indicators. If you use indicators, stop trading. So this is more of a gamble, but I live life on the edge. I think we can keep this. So our first trade was on August of 2023, and we exited in March 2024. Wow, so this trade took about a whole year. So as you can see, like the full porting, why are you full porting? Do not ever full port. This is because I am curious if full porting truly works. But yes, currently it looks like it works. So we'll go further. So we have our current big strong line. Let's see what else is like. This is also I would also call this a zone. So we're gonna assume this is a zone. Let's mark it down. So we have this zone, and it broke through this zone, but it looks like it's a false breakout. Let's see. Also found one. So we also have a zone here until, let's say, I think until this. Chat. Can we say that? And it beautifully lines up with this one. So this means it is true. So now that we have our zones, we can go either for a long or a short. I have a quantity. I have $3,000 on the line. So either I can go for a long or I can short. But assuming it broke out of the zone, I think it will touch the bottom of the second zone as well. I'm not sure. So I took my take profit at the top, maybe a bit below it. Because you know what I said. You know what I always say. Where you want to place it, always put it a bit below that. And I put my stop loss below the current candle. If I lose this trade, I will have $300 left. If I win this, I will have $6,000. 6,000. My current big issue is that I don't want to get a buzz cut. But like I said, I still live life on the edge. I go once. I go twice. I go 3 times. I go one more time. Either it's gonna crash now, or I will be a gazillionaire. It's not looking good. This is not looking good, boys. And now, I'm closing my eyes. Click one more time. Okay. This is phenomenal. This is phenomenal. So that's another win of $2,668. So that means we have around $5,400. 5x our money. I'm gonna wait a bit, because as we saw, because it goes in, we can't assume it will touch the bottom of the zone. I would say same thing goes for the top. If it touches the top, won't mean it will touch the top of the top. You feel me? So I'm gonna wait a bit. Okay, wait, it broke out. It broke out. So that means, just like our last idea, we can assume, we can hope it will go back down. Quite a risky trade. It can always just reverse. So that's why I'm putting my stop loss here. We will lose exactly $2,000. But if we win this, we will make $2,000. So it's a 1-1. It's a 1-1. So all we can do now, hope for the best. Okay. This is not looking, this is not looking well. If I click one more time and it touches my stop loss, I have successfully lost $2,000. The stop loss got tickled. Stop loss got tickled. That means we only have 3,400 in our portfolio. That's still a 300% increase. I mean, plus, it's like plus 200%, but you feel me? So what we learned is this is also a small zone. So let's mark this out. So it will pass it. You can't assume it will like keep going. Yes, as you can see, like this candle here also said like, no, let me stay here. But we stay nonchalant with it. This is what I'm gonna do. Assuming it passes through this zone, assuming it will pass through that, it will touch the top. This is quite a risky move. Or vice versa. Or vice versa. I'm not entering. Stay focused. Stay focused. Stay focused. Stay focused. Just pass it. Buddy. How about you pass? Touch it. Molest it. This is not good. It looks like it kind of passed all our zones. I think I'm shorted. I think I'm going for a small short. Plus 1,300. And plus 1,500. Go below. I'm dead ass scared. It's not willing to pass. I'm scared. I'm dead ass petrified. Because there is a secret little zone here. And I don't want to assume it's gonna get there. I'm putting it here. Putting my stop loss here. Yes! This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. Wow. This got me scared for a second. Okay. I was scared. I was big scared. So that means we have 4,832. That's a bit scary. Okay. So we're almost at the halfway point. So I think we can work with our current zones. maybe I'll draw a zone here. This also seems like a pretty zone. So if it passes this, it will touch this. Let's wait. And boys, if it passes this candle on the top, it will touch this top. Or maybe it will touch this. We will see. Okay, it surpassed. I am going in for a long, and I will assume it will touch here. And I will my stop loss below here. Now we play a waiting game. This is absolutely beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. Let's check at how I marked this out. So I marked this out and it bounced off that zone and we went further. This is absolutely beautiful. This gives me an orgasm, I gotta be honest with you. That means we have a $6,100 in the account at the moment. This makes me happy. This kind of relieves some stress. You know what I mean? Probably gonna bounce off this level indeed. And I don't know. Okay, it entered in our zone. This is gonna be a small trade of only plus 400. I mean, a plus 400 won't really hurt, will it? And a minus 600. That's beautiful. Quick buck. That's quick. Snatch that from the poor, from the homeless. That's another 400 buckaroos extra. That's 6,500. Only 3,500 more to go. So, if I am lucky, I can do this in one more trade. Okay, we'll wait. It broke out. It really showed itself. It broke out. Okay, like I mentioned, if it breaks out, we'll put it here. We'll put our take profit here. And our stop loss for a 1-1 above our candle. Oh, wait a bit. Okay, we lost 1,000. We lost 1,000. That's not bad. Okay, that's not bad. 5,500. I can live with it. I can live with it, to be fair. So, I'm gonna go a bit further. Not much is happening. Okay, something happened here. Let's analyze this a bit. What I actually want to do is an all-in. I want to go all-in. So it's one trade. I can successfully complete the challenge and not get a buzz cut. Because if I get a buzz cut, I am going to get bullied. I just got braces. And Monday I'm probably going to get bullied. I'm going to get slapped, drop kicked. I step in school, someone's going to drop kick me. But it's a risk. That's a life I'm living. I live life on the edge. The thing is, we also have a zone here. It's kind of obvious, but we also have a zone here. So, keep playing. Okay, beautiful. When it bounces from this zone, it will always go back to this zone, at least. That's something I can confirm. That's 2,000%. No, that's an extra 2,500. And put it a bit below this zone for a minus 1,000. And I'm entering. And I'm entering. And I'm entering. And I'm entering. Oh. So beautiful. This is what trading is all about. This is what trading is all about. As you can see, it bounced off our level. It kind of had some resistance here, but it broke through. This is unbelievable trading. This is unbelievable trading. Nice. That means we have $8,200 in the account. If I mess this up, I'm getting disowned. If I'm lucky, I can trade until this zone and we should hit 10,000. So I'm gonna check if it breaks through again. I'm only looking for a long here. Oh shit, I missed out. I'm missing out, but I'm not. Yeah, that's worrying. You feel me? So if it already touched it with a wick, I would assume it already touched it. So I don't want to take the risk. Zoom out. Okay, this is beautiful. This is absolutely phenomenal. Let's me draw a horizontal line here. Boys, can we appreciate this line here? I think we can. Oh my goodness. You are playing games with me. You are playing games with me. It's not breaking through. This, I'm going to put a risk. I'm risking it all. I'm risking it for the biscuit. What's the next zone? I'm not messing around. What's the next flipping zone? I want to end it. I want to end it all. So, I will assume it will break through this zone. And it will touch this. And if not, we lose $5,000. Oh my goodness. This is absolutely beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. Never have I thought. Look what I made. Look at what I made. Look at what we made. If you followed along during my trading and you analyze it, you could say I was pretty damn well. 70% of my trades were profitable. 70% of my trades were profitable. And you saw it all. You saw it all. So you know I didn't cheat. I didn't rig anything. You should say, oh yeah, but you memorized it. How would I memorize this? How would I memorize these beautiful resistance zones? Wow. I'm so proud of myself. So please, drop a sub. Drop a sub. Check out my other vids. Until again.